Part 3 is here, and it's time to finish up this cute little shirt. So in Artistic Digitizer, probably my favorite tool is the lettering tool. You find it as the T on the left-hand panel, and when you click it, it's going to open up a dialog box for you. Simply type in what you want the text to say. And then you have the option of choosing so many fonts that you can't even count. Now, after I've decided what font I want to use, I'm going to play with the envelope option because I don't just want my words to be flat and straight. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of different options. And when I think that I know what I want, I'm going to actually go back and look at my fonts because I would like to have them be a little bit different. So I've decided that I want this top font and I want the bottom font to be different from the top font, but I like this one. Okay, I like how this is looking. Okay, now that we have our design mostly nailed down, I want to talk about the color manager. So you have some color options, and down in the bottom left, you can actually pick what kind of thread that you use. Pick your thread and it shows your colors. Another thing that's really cool that I want to show you is the option to change the color palette of the overall design. You have complementary colors, you have monochromatic colors, you have the square. You might need to see only primary colors. You might need to see the tertiary colors. But this really cool option at the bottom helps you recolor the entire design all at one time. This is just another one of those awesome features that you can only find in Artistic Digitizer. Last but not least, let's see that cute t-shirt one more time. I hope I've convinced you to try out Janome's Artistic Digitizing software.